Hola chicos, this is a tutorial on how to show you how to access your ebook in order to complete your grammar worksheets. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is log in to cengage.com. And open up our class. Yours is obviously going to look a little bit different. I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Spanish 2 section. Let's try that again. Alright, from here you're able to access your textbook in two different ways. So one through the folder that says Plazas eBook, or through the content section, specifically the Learn It activity under each chapter. So for example, let's say, opening up chapter 4, that you're doing grammar worksheet for E1, so Estructura 1, Structure 1, Present Tense of Stem Changing Verbs. You can either, one, click this content and go to the Learn It activity, and then all of your content is going to be on the left-hand side. There's also a video tutorial, a grammar tutorial if you'd like to watch that, the transcript if you just want the abbreviated version, some listening, and then you can click this and it'll translate it for you. So this is a good way to interact with the material, learn some of the vocabulary. Now notice here to the right that there are 3 pages, so essentially that's 3 different sections of content that you would go through to complete your grammar worksheet. And so that's the first way that you can access textbook material to complete your grammar worksheet. The second is to go directly through the ebook. So again, you're going to click open and then go to your chapter. So it would be chapter 4. And then again, you're going to find the content that you need. So this ebook is not set up by pages, it's clicks. So Estructura 1, describing household chores and other activities, present tense, changing verbs. So you're going to look through here. It's going to give you some information, and then go into the actual content of the stem changing verbs. And this should be the same information that is in the Learn It, and then you can also go to the next page, and this starts activities. Salud to me. We may or may not do some of these activities in class, but there's nothing here that you guys have to do. For grammar worksheets, the main thing that you guys want to focus on is the content. And again, you get your content pages or your grammar worksheet pages on Blackboard. So you'll go to your grammar worksheet folder, and then you'll select the grammar worksheet that you need. And looping back around, you know what grammar worksheet you need because it is written on the course calendar. And so that is how you can accent your textbook content in order to complete your grammar tutorials. I hope this is helpful. Drop any comments in the discussion board if there are any questions you'd like to throw out there that you think your classmates might also have. Adios, muchachos.